custom layout tight compliance. We are welding specially sourced top hat steel to mount our seat frames. It's the only way to get this install signed off by the engineer. Our original plan was a booth-style layout with 2 benches facing each other, with a removable table in between. Super practical. But after checking in with our vehicle engineer, it was clear. If you want rear-facing seats with lap sash belts, you need to upgrade to a harness sash anchored to the bus frame. No flexibility there, which for us would mean new rear seats. So for now, we're going with a forward-facing layout that meets compliance and keeps things moving. I didn't get footage of Matt cutting the first top hat steel. Sometimes I just miss moments. It's not always realistic to keep a camera rolling during hands-on work with power tools and precise measurements. But we did start by mocking up a seat frame footprint using scrap wood. It gave us a clear idea of where the load points will land and helped map out everything before committing to cuts. We jacked the top hat steel from underneath to align it with the bus frame. These sections were specially sourced, strong, lightweight, and exactly what we needed to bolt the seats in safely and legally.
Could just fix it slightly too long because it does that. So as you go up high, the gap gets quite closer. Do you know what I mean? This is like a G. It's longer.
Oh, I see.
It's not straight, which is really annoying. So the bottom is loose, the top maybe it's tight, maybe it's a tiny bit too tight. Too much of a gap there.
Once everything was lined up, Matt welded the steel directly to the frame, locking in the seat foundations permanently. This gives us the structure we need for certification. After the welds were cleaned and primed, we placed the seat frames onto the new mounts, marked out where the bolts needed to go, and drilled through the fresh steel. The seats are just sitting in temporarily at this point. It helps us visualize the layout and work out where everything else will go. We're still keen on the idea of a booth style setup eventually. We've even thought about doing something like the old trams, with flip backrests that switch direction using a lever. That kind of setup could give us flexibility and keep us compliant, but that's something that we'll revisit later once we're registered and on the road. Keep following along to see if we get the engineer sign-off and can finally get this bus on the road. We'll share every step as we push forward with the build.